If ever na bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makipag-date, willing ka bang makipag-date sa single dad?
Yes.
Okay lang ba sa'yo may anak na?
Yes, because I'm a single mom too.
Ilan anak mo?
One.
Isa lang?
Yeah.
Anong babae, lalaki?
He's a boy.
Ilang
He's
taon?
11 years old.
Ay, kaedad ng anak ko.
Oh, yeah.
May ka-playmate na. Ay. Okay, since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay, do you have any final questions for each other?
Magiging partner mo, di ba single dad? Okay lang ba sa'yo na mas priority niya yan? I mean, hindi naman mas priority. Kung parang mas marami siyang oras sa anak niya or gusto mo sa'yo mas may oras?
Since I'm a single mom, I'm looking for someone who's single. Kasi I'm selfish, sorry. So I want the attention to be sa akin lang yung attention gusto ko at sa anak ko. So
Although earlier you said you're open to dating
yeah, I'm
single
open
dad
to date a
naman,
single dad, but it depends upon naman. Yeah.
Oh, so ibig sabihin, hindi mo na-feel or hindi mo naiintindihan yung sitwasyon nung guy. Gusto mo nakafocus sa'yo. So ibig sabihin ayaw mo nakafocus din siya sa anak niya.
No, it's okay. We have different so I admire you for being a single dad. Naiintindihan kita. So we need to focus on our child. Yeah. But the thing is, we have different preferences kasi. And I'm looking for a guy who can be my gym buddy as well. And who can do a hike. Because I'm really a sporty person. So, yeah.
Okay, so
Kung hindi man dumating
any other follow-up? You're good. Okay, so I don't know what to take that as, so I'm going to just ask you guys straightforward na lang
Sure.
Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I'm sorry, but no.
Okay, you can go ahead and pop.
Sorry. Ayaw.
What happened?